Oh look, a Welshman. Righto, so where are we heading to? We're heading to that big old, well, that one over there.
Just the other side of this one,
yeah. Obviously, we picked this lovely rainy day to go. Happy times.
When we got to the top, we said, "No, I can't do it." Yeah, I thought I was gonna have a heart attack, man. My arm felt like it's gonna explode.
You dead yet?
I'm sweet, mate.
Oh fucking, my legs are like, oh.
No smoke.
Great British weather strikes again. The weather was meant to be pretty decent, and it turned out to be this. And bought some nice new shoes, cheap new shoes that absolutely fucking soaked. Just 1 hour in.
One stop blister shop.
Woo! Raw. Mmm. Oh yeah. I just got ultra zoom. Alright, check this out for a little view. Oh yeah. Is it? That's a big old mountain. That doesn't even look big, but
it's as big as your mom.
I can see your mom's arse crack from here. Fuck me.
My feet are getting itchy. I'm getting trench foot.
You're getting trench foot?
Yeah.
These are literally fucking so pedo 3000s. Nice ships, nice views, and then look at that thing. Ships. He's like, what are you doing?
What are you doing, bro? You just chill. What are you doing? What you doing, mate? What are you doing? What are you doing, mate? I'm just fucking chilling on the side of the hill, mate. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's so good.
Look at these views.
I'm a bit moist though.
Ooh. What a trick.
Car's 5 miles away, so we've got to go 1 more that way and then like another 6 miles back.
Fuck yeah. Mr. Navigator.
This has all been like uphill.
Mr. Navigator over there.
Apparently, look, they're sliding.
Come on, do a trick.
Still kind of bad.
Bah! Alright, we bloody made it. Can't believe it. We did it. Here we are.
Best part of the bacon, is it? Oh, fuck. Best part of the bacon, is it? That is fucking sick.
Hell yeah. Check this out.
These for days.
Can you not get a good photo?
Yeah, look, I think so. I was gonna fucking like that, but
Go on.
try and go, oh my.
Go on.
I reckon it's doable.
You can do it. I think you can.
It's pretty steep, isn't it?
Yeah. Just through the shit. No, you're good though.
No, I ain't gonna do it.
Like, you got like some Rambo shit on your face.
What?
Oh yeah, it's kind of gone. A little bit more.
What is it?
It's a bit of that.
Dirt. I'm a dirty boy.
Dirt. I don't know, he's like flying by now. No, he's flying away now.